This is Ray FX Academy. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be taking some trades based on a very simple strategy. I'm going to be taking some sales position based on a very simple strategy. Here we need just two indicators, an exponential moving average and a MACD. Okay, what are the confluences? Moving averages act as either support or resistance. If you observe carefully, you will see that price moves upward. It didn't really get to the moving average directly, then it retraced a little, move upward again and get to the moving average and get resisted and then start moving down, and at the same time the MACD remains negative. If we back test, you will see similarly here price get here and gets rejected at the moving average, while the MACD here remains negative, slightly positive but turns negative. Okay, let's back test further. The MACD and the moving average are giving us similar confluences. If you take a closer look here, price breaks through the moving average. That's why the MACD here becomes what? Slightly positive. So as price drops back under the moving average, the MACD here changes from positive to negative. And let's recheck this. If you look at this carefully, price breaks through the moving average by just a very tiny portion, and that's what is playing out here on the MACD. Okay, let's back test. Similarly, if you look at it here, look at the reaction of the price with the moving average and look at how it reacts with the MACD. Okay, and so on and so forth. So when price react with the moving average and we get a bearish candle, we enter for a sell positions. So the moving average here is just giving us a trend line kind of function. So here we don't need a trend line, but it's like the moving average here is an inbuilt trend line. Price gets here, gets rejected, we get a rejection candle or a bearish candle, and we storm into the trade for a sell position. And it works on all time frames. So let's watch and see how it plays out, after which I will give you the settings for these indicators. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do. My strategies are highly profitable. In my next video, I'm going to give you this same strategy but with an additional confluence. So stay tuned to this channel, subscribe and click the notification button. Don't miss out the next video. Same strategy, additional confluences. Okay, let's just watch how it plays out. Then I will give you the settings of the indicators. Let's just do a back test on boom 500. Price moves all the way down from the moving average, acting as a resistance while the MACD remains negative. Then here Price here is acting as a support, so it retraces all the way down to the moving average, while the MACD is positive this time around, and it bought all the way up from the moving average, and MACD is positive. Price here retraces to the moving average while MACD is positive. We get a bullish candle and it bought all the way up. The settings for the moving average is period 150, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. While the setting for the MACD is fast EMA 20, slow EMA 80, MACD SMA 1, apply to close. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you can be notified as soon as I drop another very high profitable strategy. Bye bye.